How to change phone number on your Yahoo Mail. If you need to update your phone number for account recovery or security, follow this step to change your phone number in Yahoo Mail application. Tap onto your profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. In the pop-up, you have to select Settings. Now, in the setting interface, you have to tap on Manage Accounts. In this screen, you have to tap on Account. Now select Personal Info from here. Now you have to tap on Personal Detail Updates. Select Security in this screen. Now tap on Add Phone Number. Enter your phone number and tap Send Code. Enter the verification code sent to your new number. Once verified, your new number is linked to your Yahoo account. If needed, remove the old number by selecting it and tapping Delete. And that's it. Now you know how to change your phone number on Yahoo Mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.